A magical remedy to get rid of rats in the house. You will need 5 ingredients to make this remedy. Number 1 is peanuts. Number 2 is baking soda. Number 3 is sugar. Number 4 is flour. Number 5 is toothpaste. Take a bowl and crush the peanuts well. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, sugar and flour. Combine all the ingredients. In last, add some toothpaste. Mix well for 2 minutes. Now make a small balls and place in your house. The rat eat those balls and die. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button for more videos. Thank you very much.